Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. Which of the following describes concept drift? Option A. Concept drift is when there is a change in the distribution of an input variable. Option B. Concept drift is when there is a change in the distribution of a target variable. Option C. Concept drift is when there is a change in the relationship between input variables and target variables. Option D. Concept drift is when there is a change in the distribution of the predicted target given by a model. Option E. None of these describe concept drift. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option C. Concept drift is when there is a change in the relationship between input variables and target variables. Question 2. A machine learning engineer is monitoring categorical input variables for a production machine learning application. The engineer believes that missing values are becoming more prevalent in more recent data for a particular value in one of the categorical input variables. Which of the following tools can the machine learning engineer use to assess their theory? Option A. Kolmogorov-Smirnov (KS) test. Option B. One-way chi-squared test. Option C. Two-way chi-squared test. Option D. Jensen-Shannon distance. Option E. None of these. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B. One-way chi-squared test. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.